What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have a banger, in my opinion. We have the Air Jordan Flint Gray 13s. Before we get started with this video, you know I gotta shout out some shoes. We have the white Pharrell Jellyfish Adidas. Super dope shoe. Stay tuned for that video. We also have the Oreo 6s. I know a lot of people are disappointed that the Space Jam 9s got pushed back, but we still got a lot of shoes for this month. All right, let's get started with the review. This is the box that it comes in. Navy University Blue. Of course, they came wrapped better than this, but I had a little sneak peek. All right, this is how they look. As you can see, near the toe box, we have that white leather. Then we have this 3M material in navy blue. Got gray suede. On the back. Then on the side, we have this holographic cat eye, green cat eye. On the tongue, we have a university, we have a Jumpman, embroidered Jumpman in university blue, white leather tongue. This is what it looks like on the back of the tongue, just a size tag. Near the laces, we have Jordan right here, white laces. On the bottom, checkerboard and like some little specks at the bottom in navy and white. Got white on the bottom here. Another cat eye in blue with the Jumpman on the inside. Same little material right here. I'll show y'all the other shoe. These are coming out August 1st. Full family sizing. The retail on these is $215 plus tax. Again, they are coming in full family sizing. I don't expect these to do well, I'm gonna be honest. They might do well if a lot of people are getting it for their kids for back to school, but other than that, I don't think these are gonna do well. Once again, Nike is setting up these classics to fail. Was a well sought after shoe back then, and now it's like in the dumpsters in 2026. Maybe 6 years wasn't enough time. They did release in 2020, so now it's 2026. I feel like that's too soon to re-release a shoe. Normally they will go about 10 years, maybe even more than that, but like I said, I'm a personal fan of the shoe. I like the shoe. I wouldn't personally wear 13s, but this is definitely one of my favorite 13s for sure. I just like the colors. I feel like they go well together. I like the different materials on the shoe. Like you got the suede, 3M, and the leather. I do like that. So like I've been saying, the market on these shoes have not been doing well. They've been in the dumpsters. They're not even worth the $215 retail price tag. They've been going well under retail. So my question is, are y'all waiting to cop this shoe at a cheaper price, or are y'all gonna get the shoe now because maybe some of y'all really like the shoe? Me personally, I will wait to get the shoe if I know I can get it at a cheaper price, and I know for a fact that these are probably not gonna sell well. But like I said, these are releasing August 1st, full family sizing, retail price of $215. This pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank y'all for watching.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail.